What's going on, Jim?
I just started a small fire.
Our first small fire?
Nothing too serious.
Yeah.
Burn a little parchment paper.
Did you have the top burner on?
I turned on the top burner and the little biscuit tray was a little too close to that top burner. So we gotta move the biscuit tray a little farther away.
And you haven't set off the smoke alarm yet, which is pretty impressive.
That's amazing.
I know. My hair dryer set it off.
I mean, so much so that I tested it to make sure it worked.
Right.
Oh, your hair dryer set it off.
Yeah,
That's
the
right.
steam. It was so cold that day.
Right.
I think. Probably. I don't know. Anyway. Okay, well that was exciting. Our first little fire.
Yeah, it was.
Okay. Say bye, Jim.
Bye. Oh yeah, should have got that measuring part. That was the holding it up and bending it part. That was comical. It would fall down and bat me in the side of the head just to show me who's boss.
Oh. Well, thanks for all your work, honey.
Yeah, this is fun.
I'm really excited to have a shower in the aft head.
This is good stuff.
This is luxury.
A luxury.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a masking tape outline for where we want our shower curtain to go. All the way around the ceiling of the head here. And then we have our shower curtain rail bent to shape, I believe. Now we're gonna attach these brackets that have snap-on feature. And we'll snap the rail onto these brackets once we get them attached. I think we'll just do a few at a time and make sure they're placed in the proper places. Okay, here's the finished product. It's hard to see, but it's the shower curtain. Goes all the way around. All the way around. Bunch of extra rollers here we might need to remove.
Okay, here is the finished product. Nearly finished. This is the shower track Ace put into the aft head. So we will have, oh, here's the mizzen mast that we covered with a blanket. Yep, there it is. And so, but the one shower curtain isn't enough for the shower, so we're gonna add a second shower curtain to it on those little hooks right there, and we'll have a second shower. Very exciting. Okay, what do you have there, Jim?
What do I have? A mocha latte.
Yes, Sunday mocha latte. Yummy.
This is a track for the sliding doors for the hanging locker in the forward walkthrough. And it's just a little long, so I've cut it to fit and replace it. The other one is broken. It's just a little plastic and it's just broken off, so the door slides off.
Is this plastic also?
It is.
Okay.
It is. This is the bottom one. And this is the top one. The top one's deeper because you take your door and you stick it up all the way up in the top and then you set it down on the bottom one.
Cool. Okay.
Okay then.
All right. You aren't supposed to be working on a Sunday, but you are anyway.
This isn't working. This is playing around.
Okay.
I'm going to pull the hacksaw out in a minute if you really want to see some action.
Okay. Nothing electric?
Yeah, I don't think so.
All right.
Too easy.
Okay.
I like doing things by hand.
Okay. Bye. old is that tool?
This tool? Don't even know where I got it, but it's at least 40 years old. I think I had it pre-marriage. I think I might have been my dad's. Okay. There's the old track. It's peeled up from here. And all broken and stuff. That needs cleaned. This was glued on and nailed. I might do the same thing again. Maybe I'll just glue it. Let's see.
Okay, here is the finished hanging locker project with the new tracks that Jim installed. Super awesome. Both on the top and the bottom. So now the doors don't fall off. And if anyone knows where to get this rattan screen inserts, other Morgan owners, I'm interested in replacing it with a like product. These are in good shape, but the ones in the afterbirth are shot. Okay, that's the end of this project that Jim finished this week. Hi, this is Terry. I just wanted to come on real quick and say what incredible dock mates we have and our boatyard people. I got to meet Jorge and Atta today, this week, and they're awesome boatyard folks. We rely on, you know, our friends and neighbors a lot, and it was really nice to have them on board this week. And also our dock mates, Joe and Lauren, and little boat baby Reagan, and Tracy, he has a cat that looks like Noah, I've heard. I haven't got to meet him yet. Sunny Boy is his name. Tracy's wonderful. Dock mate Karen and Todd. I have not even met Todd that I know of, but Karen is our resident baker, and she is wonderful. Last week she brought over Thai black sticky rice pudding. Oh my god, it was awesome. Anyway, Brad, Kat, and Leanne up at the marina office, Alex, Luke, Wayne, Ryan, Colin, everybody at the boatyard. We love all those guys, all the folks, and we just had a very busy week. We got to spend lots of time with grandkids this week, which was awesome, and I think we get to next week too, so next week's video might be a little short. We'll see. As you know, we don't put our grandkids' pictures up on our videos for their privacy, and Jim is just boarding, so I'm going to cut this short. Thanks for watching. I don't know what this light beam is. I think Star Trek's taking over, but cheers.